Alright guys, I got a Suzuki here. This is SX4, but it's not about the car today. It's about this little guy right here, wiper blade, alright? So if your wiper blades are screaming and yelling for help like this one is, alright? Look at this. The blade is ripped apart. Do replace it. I got a new wiper in my hand, customer bought it. I do not have a part number, but if your wiper blade is screaming and yelling and it's raining out and you can't see, this is probably 10 bucks. This windshield is probably 110 bucks plus labor. All right, so change these wiper blades seasonally. If they're not even bad, change them. All right, so if you got 6 months out of it, change it. Winter comes in, it's October, beginning of October, change it. Snow is coming in, end of the season, change it, because the snow, it rips it apart. All right, so if you guys have a rear wiper blade such as this one, but there's no clips, no nothing on this to remove it, all right? This one is very simple. You see that little groove right there? That's stuck into that little hole, right? A lot of Toyota Siennas, if you have a third wiper, it's similar, right? On the car. So all you need to do is, first of all, you see this? This is round. This piece right here in the center that's going across is round, right? This is perfectly stuck in there. And this little guy right there is the lock mechanism, that little clip right there. All right, ignore my fingers. I had gloves on, a lot of dirt got in there in my nails. So all you do is simply be careful. You do not want this thing to slam on the windshield once you have the wiper off, right? I like to put my arm, since I'm recording, I would suggest you hold it here and do it with the other hand. But since I'm recording, I'm holding a camera with one hand, all right? So you simply take this and you push it, all right? I'm gonna show you how this mechanism works, all right? So if you look at it, this thing is round from here, but from the inner it's oval, all right? So once it goes into that circle, it will not come out because it's the thickest part, all right? So to put it back in, all you do is you're gonna stick this little guy in, all right? So this is how it's gonna go. This side, this guy is gonna be down back here, right? So you're gonna try to get it from right that side, and you're gonna stick it into it because that's the thinnest spot, all right? Get the thinnest spot in there first. Once you have the thinnest spot, you should be able to get this wiper in very simple and easy. All right, with one hand, like I said, it's gonna be hard, but bam, zoom, all right? Clean the surface, all right? I don't even need, today's raining, I don't even need a rag, I don't need no Windex, just clean it, right? Because a little bit of dirt and debris stuck in there, it's always gonna be stuck there, it's gonna create lines here, all right? So the reason why I said this is 10 bucks and this is 110 bucks plus labor, the reason is because once this thing breaks apart, it's gonna be, some of these wipers have metal in there, like this one has metal. Some are metal itself, right? Even when you're changing it and you have the wiper, do not let this thing drop, really, especially in the front, because this will, bam, put a little ding on it, and that's it, the glass is done, all right? So don't let this damage your windshield. You should be in good hands as long as you change. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, share, and like all my videos.